Hey, this is John Crestani, and I want to invite you to an exclusive video series with me this week, where I'm going to show you exactly how I've built my internet business from scratch to the point where it's making me roughly $5 million per year. And without having to sacrifice the freedom of being wherever in the world you want and waking up and living on your completely own time schedule. This video series is for you if you're looking to learn how to create your very own internet business, but you don't know how to get started. This video series is also for you if you already have a business online, but you're just looking to take it to the next level. Now, if you don't know about my story, basically, I began as an internet marketer back in 2011. And I was trying to make money any way I could. In 2013, I did $100,000. In 2014, I did $500,000. In 2015, I did $1 million. And in 2016, I've done almost $5 million in revenues in my online business. And I've gotten it to the point where I can do anything I want with my life. I can live on my own schedule. I can be where I want to be, and I live life completely on my own terms. It's my mission to help others do the same. I got started in this industry by coming across a mentor, very much like you are coming across a mentor right now. All this training we'll be going over is how you can use a computer to earn money that goes directly into your bank account without talking to anybody and making this sort of money. And let me actually show you my actual stats right here of what I'm doing every single day. So this is just one of my accounts, and what you'll see here, this is the amount of money I'm earning every single day, and you'll see there's a surprising amount of consistency here, $6,498 on Tuesday. $3,828 on Monday, $5,795 on Sunday. And here you can see these are the amounts, this is the amount I'm making each month from my business. You'll see last month I made $339,579. Pretty cool, right? This month, I've already on track. I'm almost $299,000. Zoom in on that. Zoom in on that. Check this out. That's real money. But what's more interesting is I'm going to be showing you exactly how I do it on this live training. Now, if you're watching this training, if you're watching this video, you're one of very few people. Because what I'm going to be teaching on this, first off, this is for a very limited time. And this is only for a very limited number of students. The big education companies don't want me revealing this information to you. The big education companies don't want you to know that you can actually become successful without having an overpriced education. And the corporations don't want you to know that you can actually earn a living without working a job and being confined to an hourly wage, without being confined to a monthly salary. That you can make enough money to be financially free, working for yourself. Imagine how amazing it would be to be able to spend more time with your family instead of having to drive, to wake up an alarm each day, to drive to work, to deal with people at work that you wouldn't even be friends with in real life. Imagine how great it would be if you could quit that. Imagine how great it would be if maybe you're retired and you could earn extra money to supplement your income. and live a more full, a more experienced life, travel. You can do all this when you have an online business to support you. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need to talk to anybody to do sales. You don't need a social media following. You don't need to hire employees. All you need is a computer and internet connection to do this. Now, if you want to sign up for this training, we're taking limited numbers of students. If you're seeing this, you want to register immediately because this will be going fast. You can register. There should be a link either above or below or to the side of this video. Make sure you sign up for this training and you will be given more information about when your training time is so you can get started. I look forward to helping you change your life. Sorry, that was a weird burp. You change your life and see you soon. I'm going to invite you to a free training that has benefits in it for both of us. But I'm going to show you first, I know how to make money online, if you can see by any of these results right here. Now, what's not as important about my results is my students' results. Here's Tyler Ellison. He makes over $1 million a year. Can you zoom in on this number right here? He earned $1.4 million last year. Mormon missionary, he just wrote this. Hey John, just thought I'd show you what your training has enabled me to do. Thanks so much. It's changed my life for the better forever. You're not going to learn how to get rich sitting in a classroom, and you're not going to learn how to get rich working for someone else. Here's Brian Pfeiffer, another student of mine, earned over $1 million last year. Used to be a limo driver in Chicago. See, here he is, big boy right there, really strong guy. Here's who he was dating before he took my training program. He now lives in Las Vegas and hangs out with these three girls. But look at his earnings. Can you zoom in on his earnings right here? This is what he earns on a daily basis using the internet marketing techniques that I have shown him in my system. And here's another student of mine, multi-millionaire, 7-figure student. He used to be doing customer service for people. He's from Tampico, Mexico. There he is, right there. That's his wife. He earns over $100,000 in a single month. Once again, you don't make this working a job. Just like my story was, I learned how to do this back in 2012. I learned how to use the internet and little websites that require zero programming to set up to make real money. When I started, I had to do this on the side and I had very little time. But I was able to quit my job and create an income for myself where I now earn over $500,000 a month. And you can too. Sign up for my training. There's a link above or below my head where you can click to sign up for a free training where I will spend 2 hours with you live answering your questions. You can ask me anything. And I will spend time with you to learn how you can make this money too. Very simple, step by step. Click the link above or below.